Hey, and welcome back to another video from my eBay cheapest playlist, the playlist of videos where I go on eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, and Facebook Marketplace and try and find the cheapest model of phone or cheapest category of phone or whatever. It's usually cheapest model of phone that I can find, and I buy it and I just show it to you and see whether it's it may be broken, so I repair it and all that stuff as well. It's been one of the oldest playlists on my channel. I'll link the playlist down in the description below if you want to see all the older devices that I got that were the cheapest at their time. This is the cheapest Nokia 5800 that I could find on eBay. This is the original listing. I was about $5.5 or something plus shipping. The total was about $11. It was still really cheap. The phone was untested, but what I can tell from it loading into its charging screen here, the thing actually works. Now it came it came with this generic charger. This is too big to plug in there. See, as you can see the difference in barrel size. As you can see the charging barrel on that. It's not quite the older style. The older style is a bit thicker than this, but this is like Kohler. Isn't Kohler like a tap manufacturer, like a faucet manufacturer? I don't know, Kohler, I don't know, what is this? What is Kohler? The word Kohler is usually, I think, they manufacture faucets or taps, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, it came with that, and she said, the seller said it wouldn't charge this phone. Yeah, no kidding, it won't charge this phone. It's not the right charger. Initially, the seller lost this and she refunded me the money. And I told her, if you ever find it again, remind me, let me know and I'll buy it again. And she did find it and did message me and said, do you want it still? And I said, yeah, and so I bought it again and she shipped it out to me. So let's see if this thing works. But as usual, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below and hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. And also don't forget to ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. And now let's take a look at the cheapest Nokia 5800 on eBay. So in terms of condition, there is clearly a crack here, as you can see there. Sorry about the lighting. It's not natural lighting. I'm using my artificial lights because it's dark outside. It has fallen, as you can see. There's a really solid drop there. There's pavement. The pavement it's definitely pavement. Look at the sand. Those are the granules of sand that have actually imprinted on the plastic. That's definitely a pavement drop on a concrete pavement, and there's a crack there, as you can see. The back, now my personal unit, I had the exact same color, everything, the same phone. My personal unit also, the rubberized back started to fall apart like that. The rubber fell apart. I don't have that phone with me now. It's back home at my mom's place. I'm in college, but yeah, I'll show you that phone someday. This one's missing the stylus. The back not in great condition, as you can see, but you can easily wipe this off with alcohol. And I'm going to restore this phone. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to basically get it a new stylus and stuff. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the restoration. So for the first time, let's see what happens when I power this thing on. Ignore the flickering. That's just the refresh rate of the display. You gotta hear the Nokia tune, of course. Ignore the flickering. That's just the refresh rate of the display syncing with the frame rate. What the jazz? What? There was a T-Mobile startup screen. So this is a T-Mobile phone. Okay, don't really care. Seller said this was her personal phone. Hope there's nothing personal on this. It looks empty. It looks empty. Don't care. Missed call. What's with the display? Okay, so I haven't used this version of Symbian in a while. It's pretty slow. My one at this age wasn't that slow either when I last saw it in 2019. Battery low. It's got a bunch of things to say before I even can press the button. Okay, so the menu has shrunk. They've shrunken the menu, so definitely customized. Touchscreen seems to be working fine. But before anything, I'm gonna check if there's personal stuff on this because I just don't want to be blanking things out with a white screen. I'll make sure there's no personal stuff on this. If there is, I'll wipe it off and be right back. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be anything personal on here, just some contacts and then some screenshots of YouTube videos and stuff like that. Nothing personal, so yeah, I just erased all of those. Anyway, no music either. It's kind of strange. But yeah, I guess this phone being this old, so 2008 to 2022, due to the math, about 14 years roughly. Yeah, 14 years. So yeah, I don't think this phone was used until recently, probably just left somewhere. But everything seems to work, except I didn't test the camera yet. Let's test the camera. You press the button, the camera should load. Unable to access memory card, yes, okay. So the camera does work, phone memory full, delete some data. Let's see if the front camera works. So we can't take a photo because the phone memory is full. How did you access the front camera? Kind of a shame that I used this phone. I forgot how to access the front camera. How'd you access? Oh, there we go. Pretty dumb of me there. Hope it works. Yes, it does work, as you can see there. So the cameras do work on this thing. I just can't take any photos and stuff because it doesn't have a memory card. Speakers, let's see if the speakers work. Let's play some Nokia tunes. Let's go into phones. Again, sorry about the lighting. I don't have proper studio lighting. This is just your standard Walmart $7 bendy light. The two of them there. Well, there's three. I have not turned the other one on because it's warm, but there are two of them. Just your $7 bendy lights from Walmart that are like, it's about 5 feet tall. Where is it? Okay, personal, profiles, personalize, spray, what, file, what? New Shilaki Javani, what the? I know that, I think that's Hindi, but I can't read Hindi. I think that's Hindi, I don't know. Shilaki Javani, I don't know what that even means. Is it a song? Maybe. I can't play it because, of course, it's probably copyrighted, but yeah, that's that. So ringtone, don't play that. Don't play that. Okay, so where's the Nokia tone? Any Indian or I think that's definitely Hindi. I'm not sure, but if you understand what that meant, let me know down. Is it a song? There you go. Sheila Ki Jawani, whatever that means. Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, so I guess the owner of this phone would have been Indian. But yeah, so here are the tones, and here's the Nokia tune. Let's play that. Max volume. It is max volume, and this thing has 2 stereo speakers, so you can imagine how loud it is. Let's do that again. Nokia, where's the Nokia one? There we go. We missed it again. There we go. Come on. I pressed it twice. There we go. How do I unselect it and make it play? Okay. Now, there we go. So there you go. That's it's a bit louder, but I think the speakers may have dust in them and stuff. But yeah, that was the Nokia tune. But yeah, definitely one of the best stereo speakers on any phone at the time. I know because I used this phone as my daily driver for about 2 years, until around 2000. Yeah, 2010 till when the iPhone 4 was released. Yeah, so I went from the 5800 to the iPhone 4. But yeah, that was the cheapest Nokia 5800 on eBay. Oh, we haven't pressed. There we go. The quick button. This one has an extra. That's some T-Mobile stuff. Usually there's just there's something else there. Oh, the browser is there. But there's some T-Mobile stuff there instead, but that's because it's on the T-Mobile network. But usually it's just the browser there at the bottom. But yeah, we'll do a full restoration video on this in time to come, so definitely stay tuned. I gotta get rid of this rubber, gotta find a replacement stylus and all that good stuff, so definitely stay tuned by hitting the subscribe button down below. This was the cheapest Nokia 5800 on eBay. Thanks for watching as usual, and if you honestly like this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below, and also hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.